So students, in previous video we learned electrophilic substitution reaction, that is halogenation, nitration, sulfonation. Next we'll see Friedel-Crafts reaction. In this Friedel-Crafts reaction we are going to see Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. So in this haloarenes will undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction and acylation reaction in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, and the product formed will be your ortho product and para product. So first we will see Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So this Friedel-Crafts alkylation, we will see with the mechanism. First I'll write the reaction of this Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So haloarene, the haloarene which you are going to take is chlorobenzene. To this chlorobenzene you are going to add alkyl halide in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, and the product formed is ortho product and para product. Ortho product and para product. Okay. So this is what Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Why we are calling it as alkylation? Because you had added this alkyl group is added here. You had added this alkyl group to this haloarenes. Okay. So that is what we are naming it as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now I'll tell you the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism of this reaction. So in this, first we are taking this alkyl chloride, so CH3Cl, okay, and this aluminium chloride, aluminium AlCl3, okay. So I am writing I had taken aluminium chloride and alkyl chloride. So here it will be having a lone pair of electrons, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, and here also this will be having lone pair of electrons. Okay, in this if you take this aluminium chloride, it will act as a Lewis acid. Okay, so what do you mean by Lewis acid, and why this act as a Lewis acid? Because it will accept the electron pair. It will accept the electron pair. So it acts as a, so we are calling this as a Lewis acid, and it acts as a Lewis acid. And if you take this alkyl chloride, it acts as a Lewis base. So why it acts as a Lewis base? Because it will donate this electron pair. It will donate the electron pair. Okay, so this chlorine, it will donate one pair of electron to this aluminium. Okay, and if it donates one pair of electron to this aluminium, means how what about the product formed here? It will be like CH3Cl Al, this Cl3 will be there. Okay, and everywhere this lone pair of electrons will be there, and here this chlorine will be having only 2 lone pair of electron. Have you understood? So this acts as a Lewis base because it donates electron, and this acts as a Lewis acid because it will accept the electron from this chlorine. So this chlorine will donate this pair of electrons to this aluminium, and your product will be like this. Okay. So after the formation of this product, what happens? This chlorine is highly electronegative. So what this chlorine will do, it will take the electrons towards itself. Okay, it will take the electrons towards itself. And what will be the charge of this carbon? It will be having positive charge. So after taking the shared pair of electrons towards itself, what about the product formed? this it will be CH3 plus, and here it will be like AlCl4. Okay, so this is what the product formed after this chlorine taking the lone pair of electrons. So here this carbocation, so this is the carbocation which is formed, and this carbocation only, it will act as an electrophile here. This carbocation, it will act as an electrophile here. Okay, so this electrophile only, this carbocation only, it's going to we are going to add to the chlorobenzene. So I'll write that here, the formed carbocation. So now only I'm going to take this chlorobenzene, and the hydrogen which is present in the benzene ring only, I had written it here. To this chlorobenzene, what we are going to add? The formed carbocation. So this formed carbocation, this only act as an electrophile here. Okay, we are going to add this carbocation to this chlorobenzene. So here what happens? This pi electrons. So these are the pi electrons which is present in the benzene ring. So this this is an electrophile, and this pi electrons will act as a nucleophile, and it will attack this carbocation. Okay, these are the pi electrons. So the pi electrons which is present in this benzene ring will act as a nucleophile, and it will attack this carbocation. Okay, and if it attacks this carbocation, means what happened? What is the product formed here? The product formed will be like this. So here the same bond I am writing it here. This chlorine also the same I am writing it here. This H also I am writing it here. And here what happens? The CH3. Okay. So from this carbon atom only, the electron pair is taken. From this carbon atom only this electron pair is taken. So what about the charge of this carbon atom? This will become positive charge. Okay, the charge of this carbon atom will be positive charge. Then what happens? This electrons, the electron from this will be attacked by means of this carbon. Okay, and here I am going to add AlCl4. Okay, and here what happens? In this, what happens? This carbon will become positive charge. Why this carbon will become positive charge? Because this pi electron only will attack this electrophile, this carbocation. So the electrons, this carbon had donated the electrons to this one to form a bond, bond here. So what will be the charge? This will become positive charge. So this positively charged carbocation will attack this electrons. Okay, and what happens if it is taking this electrons? This H, it will get removed as proton. So this H, it will combine with this Cl, and it will get removed as HCl. Okay, and what else here? AlCl3 is here. So that also will get removed as AlCl3. And what is the remaining main product will be there? The main product will be this chlorine. It will be here like that only, and the main product will be the CH3 will be here. Okay, so what is this one? This is 2-chloro. So if CH3 is added to this benzene ring, it will be toluene. Okay, or orthochlorotoluene. So anything you can write. So this is what the mechanism of this reaction. Have you understood? So here in this, we are going to add this alkyl to this chlorobenzene in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. So what you are doing, you are taking this alkyl chloride and this aluminum chloride. Okay, this aluminum chloride acts as a Lewis acid because it accepts electron pair, and this will act as a Lewis base because it donates the electron pair. So this it will donate the electron to this aluminum, and your product will be like this, and this chlorine will take the shared pair of electrons towards itself, and this will become carbocation, and this act as an electrophile here, and the remaining product will be AlCl4. So this carbocation only will attack to this chlorobenzene. So that is what I had shown here. This carbocation will attack this benzene ring, and the pi electrons which is present in the benzene ring will act as a nucleophile. So it will attack this carbocation, and a bond is formed, and the product will be like this. This bond is formed by the pi electrons from this carbon atom. So what will be this carbon atom is donating the electrons, and what will be the charge of this carbon? It will be positive charge. Okay, and then this positive charge carbon will take the electrons from here, and this hydrogen will get it removed as proton, and it will combine with the Cl, and it will get removed as HCl, and remaining will be AlCl3. And what is the main product here? Cl and CH3. So this is ortho product. Similarly, para product also will be there. But among ortho and para, which will be the major product? Para product will be the major product. So this is what Friedel-Crafts alkylation.